Some of these children away, but I mean, go.
Alright, I have updated and fixed it. So before, this thing sounded kind of funky because I didn't have decoupling capacitors on my CD40-106s, so I put one on each of those. And then it sounded kind of muddy when I played more than one note, so I added a LM396 op amp, and I ran both lines into that, and then use this for my gain for the op amp.
Give me that.
I've got the power switch. I now have my DC jack, 9-volt DC.
Oh, stop
audio out.
The house on fire.
Volume. So here we go.
I'm actually gonna kill
It didn't sound too wacky. These guys get real low. I can use those for like LFOs, I think. It's really weird. I swear I use the exact same caps and resistors on this CD40-106 as this one, but this one's way lower, like LFO, man. But whatever. It's cool. Then I have a range. I have like the... these ones actually seem lower, but not really. I don't know how to explain it. Whatever. Point is, she's all done. She sounds great. Yeah. There we go. Alright, well anyways, pretty cool little project, super small. Kind of did it to make it so that, you know, two people could play music together like a game, like a video game. But she's portable, she's compact. I might paint it up or something, I'm not really sure. Also, I think since I've got this plexiglass area that's open on all of the pots here, I think I'm probably going to put some LEDs on the inside. But for now, I like it, and it's done. Alright, thank you for helping me on this. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. I apologize in advance for my children and their loud video gaming. Anyways, here's my CD40-106 pair dual synthesizer, or whatever, 2-player arcade synth. Now I have it with lights. And this guy is not very bright yellow. And then green. Where's green? There we go. Alright, other side. Now this one I use the same setup I thought, but I'm still getting the oscillation from the source, which is weird. One arm playing. I can't do 2-arm playing, but anyways, that's what we got. Working good so far. I'm pretty impressed. And yeah, thanks for watching. We shall see you soon. Bye.
I did that. Yeah. Come on! I don't know why I grappled that.
This is another piece of art that I made. A buddy of mine got a solder mask from somewhere online, and then he got a CNC cutter and he cut them out. And then he put 2 different ones on one huge sheet of aluminum as his test. Well, he doesn't need solder mask. I don't know what it's for. So I put LEDs behind it, battery powered. And yeah, she glows pretty nice. I like it. Alright, see ya. Hello everybody. Alright, I know it's dark and you can't see what's going on, but check it out. So, I took my 2-player arcade machine here, took my little Hacko F88 soldering iron, and I added some LEDs. But, obviously, you know, LEDs take a lot of power, so even though my device works here, hold on, where's my power? Oh, I unplugged everything. Give me a second here. One moment, please. Technical difficulties. Alright. Look at that. Huh? But you can barely hear it. Hold on, let me turn it. Oh, the power's on. There we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. But you can barely hear it. But look at that. Isn't that awesome? Okay. So you can hear a little woo. Okay, so the LEDs are obviously taking like a ton of my power. So I'm not super smart on what I gotta do to either limit the LEDs, which I really don't want to do. They're just bright enough, but I gotta figure out how to split the power between that going to the actual sound coming out and the LEDs. I don't know. I haven't. I'll explain it later, I guess. But listen to this one. See, so those don't have LEDs yet. So versus. you get it. So anyways, in my setup here, I do actually have, let me show you, not that you have to see it, but I have, okay, so for my op amp I have being used right now is the LM386, but I think I have an NE5532 right here, which is a dual op amp. And so I think I'm just gonna, if you guys think this works, take my output from the LM386, put it into the input of like 1 or A or whatever of the 5532, and then, you know, make the loop or whatever, put a volume pot on, or maybe just use this one, and then you know, double boost it, so I'll have one op amp and a second one. I think that should work. I just don't know exactly my values of, you know, resistors and things that I'm going to have to do between the two, but I'll work on that. But either way, man, look at that mess. It's kind of pretty though, right? Look at all them colors. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys have any ideas for me on exactly how I'm supposed to set this up so that I can power the LED sitting right here and the actual output from my CD40-106s, so that they're, you know, more evenly distributed. That'd be cool. Otherwise, I'm going to try this boost thing and see if that works. So, yeah. Fun times. Thank you for your help. Have a good night.